So I'll start share the screen. Now, the first and foremost thing that we need to do right now is to create a first program. So for creation of first program, I'll tell you the steps. And these steps are something which we have to remember. So I'll just have this steps in. I'll share the steps with you in the Google Drive, but I'll right now keep it in the Word document. Normally what I do is I write everything in the cloud, so that whatever I write here will be accessible to you. I'll just check where I have done it now. So the concept right now is to creation of first program. This is the concept. Okay, and the next concept would be to understand the various topics in ABAP and projects in each topic. What are the projects that we do? Okay, so first we'll focus on creation of first program. And for this, to create a first program, you first need to log in into the SAP system. Log in into SAP system. Then the second step would be to open SC38 transaction. Now, if you ask me what is transaction code, this is called T transaction code. So what is the transaction code? It's similar to our website address. Like you just type www.sap.com in the website, right? So it will open a page. Similarly, here we'll have something called transaction code SC38. This is for ABAP editor. And then we'll go ahead and enter in the SC38 you have to give the program name. Program, we'll give it as Z. I'll give something like Z Aditya. I'm giving my name, and when you are creating, you can give your name, whatever name you want, you can give it. And then I'll give the title. And now, once after giving this program name, we need to click on create. There will be an option called create, or you can also use F5 function key on your keyboard shortcut. Once you do this, you'll get the first pop-up. In the first pop-up, you give title. So my first program or something. And then type. You need to give the type. Type my first program, and type is executable program. Executable. So title is my first program and type is executable program. Then we have to go ahead with the second pop-up. In second pop-up, you need to there will be a second pop-up. In this, you just need to click local object. Going forward, we'll understand why we are doing these steps and all. You'll get a clarity slowly, one by one, step by step. You'll get it. Now you enter ABAP editor screen. Okay, ABAP editor screen. So in the ABAP editor screen, we'll just write welcome to SAP. Okay, so then we need to save it. For saving, Control+S, check, Control+F2, activate, Control+F3. These are the steps that we have. Okay, and then for execute, F8. So going forward, we'll understand each and every step and what is the significance. And for coming back, if you want to come back to the same screen, you have to click on F3. So these are the steps. Okay. So now going forward, we'll do these things. Let's do this. Okay. So let's do that. So first, I have already logged in into the system. We'll go for SC38 transaction. So in the SC38 transaction, this is called ABAP data scheme. So this is the one. Okay, this is the step that I'm doing. Open P code SC38. I've done it. This is called ABAP data scale. You can see the heading here, ABAP editor, right? Now what we do is I'll give the program name Zadaditya. Okay, Z Aditya, and then click on create. So now, oh, access. Just a second. Just a minute. I need to, for the first time, I need to enter the access key. This is a one-time process. Okay, it's done. So this is the title, my first program. You can give any title. It's not mandatory that you have to give a specific thing, but type should be executable. You have to select it. We cannot type it. Okay. So ఇది type చేయడానికి రాదు, select చేయాలి drop down లో. Here you can type whatever you want. It's just for our understanding. Title is our understanding. Here we are clicking on local object. Okay. So going forward, we'll create a package and all. We'll see that later. So once we have clicked on the local object, we'll enter the program name. Now I'll just say write welcome to SAP. Welcome to SAP. Okay. And then we'll click on save, syntax check, and activate. So once it's activated, we'll click on execute. So once we click on execute, we'll get welcome to SAP. That is whatever we write in the right statement will be the output. Okay, this is a simple program. Now what I want is, if you are already ready with the server access and you're able to log in, you can share your screen. I'll give you the host. I'll make you the host. You can share your screen, and then I'll explain you the steps of how to do it, so that it will be clear for you. Sona and Mona, you both are in different places, the same place. హలో, ఇప్పుడు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారు, ఒకసారి చేస్తారా, మీరు తర్వాత చేస్తారా? హలో, నా వాయిస్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
Sir, your voice is cracking, sir.
అవునా? ఓ, I'm in a very good network. Network is perfectly fine here. వాయిస్ ముందు నుంచి కట్ అవుతుందా? ఓకే, నేను ఒక పని చేస్తాను, మరి వాయిస్ నేను వేరేది చేస్తాను. నేను మైక్ యూజ్ చేస్తాను, ఒక నిమిషం మైక్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాను. నేను ఏమంటున్నానంటే, మీరు ఒకసారి సేమ్ థింగ్ నేను చేసింది మీరు ఒకసారి చేస్తారా? సర్వర్ యాక్సెస్ రెడీ ఉంటే మీరు చేయొచ్చు, లేదంటే మనము నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఒకసారి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే నాకేంటంటే స్టార్టింగ్ లో కొద్దిగా if I'm there, it will be easy. Later part of time you can do on your.
Sir, already చేస్తున్నాం సార్, మీతో పాటు ఫాలో అవుతున్నాం.
Oh, cool. Okay, super. That's great. Okay. So if you're good with that, that's great. So what I was asking, Sona, like, Miru, Mona, you are in different places or the same place?
We are in same place, sir.
Okay, then cool. Then Mona also can practice the same thing, right? So cool. No issues.
Yes,
అయితే
sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఒక 1 minute లో డిస్కనెక్ట్ అవుతుంది. డిస్కనెక్ట్ అయినాక మళ్ళీ లాగిన్ అవుదాము. సేమ్ మళ్ళీ క్లిక్ చేసి లాగిన్ అవుదాం.
Okay,
అయితే
sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఏంటంటే, సో టిల్ హియర్ వి ఆర్ గుడ్, నసనా. సో వి ఆర్ గుడ్ టిల్ హియర్, రైట్?
Yes, sir.
సూపర్. సో నాకేంటంటే తొందరగా నోట్స్ దొరకలేదు. ఐ డోంట్ నో ఇన్ విచ్ మెయిల్ ఐడి ఐ హావ్ అప్డేటెడ్ దట్. సో నార్మలీ థింగ్ ఇస్, నేను ఇది డ్రైవ్లో ఉన్న వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ అప్డేట్ చేయగానే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో యూ కెన్ షేర్ దట్. కూల్. నా నేనేంటంటే ఇంకొక నెక్స్ట్ 10-15 మినిట్స్లో నేను ఏం చెప్తానంటే, ఈ అబాప్లో ఏమేమి టాపిక్స్, ఆ టాపిక్స్లో ఏ టాపిక్లో ఏ ప్రాజెక్ట్ అనేది నేను మీకు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. వాయిస్ ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
ఇస్ ఇట్ ఓకే?
ఇప్పుడు ఓకే సార్.
ఓకే. నాకు తెలియదు, లేకపోతే అదర్వైజ్ ఐ వుడ్ హావ్ డన్ దట్ ఇన్ ద బిగినింగ్ ఓన్లీ. అంటే ఓకే, ఫైన్. ఎనీవేస్, సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు తెలిసి కట్ అవుతుంది. కట్ అయినాక నేను మళ్ళీ రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసి ఐ విల్ జస్ట్ because the recording that I have done till now is for creation of first program, and these steps that we have followed will be common for all the programs. Just welcome to SAP and దగ్గర we'll write that code and we'll write the logic. Okay, fine. మీరు డిస్కనెక్ట్ కాగానే ఇమీడియట్గా మళ్ళీ జాయిన్ అయిపోండి. అప్పుడు